I step into nature to find myself. My practice begins. Standing in the light of the sun. Come take a look. YogawithJa is our sacred space. Come take a look. Subscribe for weekly videos on how to live a life connected to the divine. Nothing brings me more joy than sharing my light. Let's go on an adventure and explore together. Let's explore together. Maybe we can flow together. Open our hearts together. Let's take a breath together. Sit in meditation together. Be still and find peace with each other. Let's meet ourselves in nature.